Why was the baby Strawberry crying? Because her mom and dad were in a jam. I hope you have your scrap piece of paper. And today we're going to learn how to simplify expressions containing parentheses, how to multiply three or more numbers, and how to use the associative property of multiplication. Sometimes when we write a number sentence, we want everyone to do a certain part of the work first. We show this by writing that part in parentheses. And here's what parentheses look like. So let's write this problem out. First, we're going to put in parentheses 2 plus 5 times 3. And then we're going to do 2 plus, and in parentheses, 5 times 3. What is the same about these problems? Right, they're using the same numbers. What is different? The parentheses are around different numbers. Remember, the parentheses tell us what to do first. So in the first problem, we're going to do 2 plus 5. What is 2 plus 5? 7. And 7 times 3? 21. Okay, let's look over here. Now we have 2 plus 5 times 3. What are we going to do first? Correct, the part that's in parentheses. So what's 5 times 3? 15. And 2 plus 15 equals 17. Very good. All right, let's do this one now. Now we have 10 minus parentheses 3 times 2. And then in parentheses, we're going to say 10 minus 3 times 2. All right, let's work the part in parentheses first. We'll put 10 minus, what's 3 times 2? 6. What's 10 minus 6? 4. Now over here, 10 minus 3? 7. And 7 times 2? 14. All right, now we're going to do in parentheses 5 times 4 plus 2 and 5 times 4 plus 2. What's 5 times 4? 20 plus 2, 22. Now we have 5 times, what's 4 plus 2? 6. What's 5 times 6? 30. Okay. Now let's do this one. 9 minus, and in parentheses, 2 times 4. It's like this. And then in parentheses, 9 minus 2 times 4. What's 2 times 4? 8. And what's 9 minus 8? 1. What's 9 minus 2? 7. Times 4? 28. All right. Now in parentheses, 2 times 5 times 3. And 2 times 5 times 3. Okay, so 2 times 5 is 10. And 10 times 3 is 30. 5 times 3, 15. And 2 times 15 is 30. Okay, they both have the answer of 30. The answers for both of these problems are the same. Both of these problems have the same answer because we are multiplying the same 3 numbers. The only difference is the order in which we multiplied the factors. Mathematicians call this the associative property of multiplication. Which one was easier to find the answer? The first one or the second one? I bet most of you are saying the first one. Let's do one more. We're going to do in parentheses 3 times 2 times 9. And now we're going to do 3 times 2 times 9. What is the same about these two problems? Right, the factors are the same. What is different? The order in which we're going to multiply the factors. And what do the mathematicians call this an example of? Associative property of multiplication. 3 times 2, 6, and 6 times 9, 54. 2 times 9, 18, and 3 times 18. Let's do it vertically if you're not sure. What's 3 times 8? 24. 3 times 1? 3 plus 2? 5. 54 for the same. Which way was easier, the first way or the second way? I bet most of you are saying the first way. Yes. All right, good job, boys and girls. Get ready to do your homework side.